So what does vulnerable mean? Vulnerable refers to being exposed to the possibility of harm, damage, or emotional distress. It can describe a person, place, or thing that is susceptible to being hurt, attacked, or negatively affected by outside forces. When someone is vulnerable, they may feel weak, defenseless, or emotionally exposed. The baby is vulnerable to illness because of her weak immune system. Let's look at more examples to help you understand how vulnerable is used. She felt vulnerable after sharing her personal story with the group. The elderly are often more vulnerable to extreme weather conditions, such as heat waves. After the accident, he was emotionally vulnerable and needed support from his friends. In these examples, vulnerable describes being in a sensitive or exposed state, whether physically, emotionally, or in other ways. You might be wondering, when should I use the word vulnerable? You use vulnerable when talking about someone or something that is at risk of being hurt, attacked, or negatively affected. It's often used to describe situations where a person or thing is sensitive or open to harm, whether that harm is physical, emotional, or social. For example, if someone is emotionally open or in a situation where they could be hurt, you would say they are vulnerable. She was feeling vulnerable after her breakup and needed time to heal. Quick recap. Vulnerable means being exposed to the possibility of harm, damage, or emotional distress. It describes someone or something that is susceptible to being hurt or open to risks. You use vulnerable to describe a state where there is a possibility of being negatively affected, whether physically, emotionally, or in other ways. Now you know what vulnerable means and how to use it in different situations.